Right now, I'm in Miaoli County, and we are heading to Sanxing Station. This station used to be the highest station above the sea level. Even though Sanxing Station was closed, but never forgotten.
1, 2, and 3.
Because they turned this area into a popular place for visitors to relax and for sightseeing. They also have plenty of unique restaurants along the railway. Like the way they decorate their landscape with different kinds of tropical plants. This is definitely a perfect place to relax and have a cup of tea. I took some beautiful photographs during the tea break. I can see small four-seater train carriages climbing up along the old railway. I like the way they paint this rail bike, because red is my favorite color. We ordered a cup of lemonade with jelly and a bar of bread for myself. Our next stop is Long Ton Station.
Once upon a time,
this is a place I meet up with my cousin.
I'd go to work and I'd be in bed on time. Nothing ever changed. But when I first heard the sound, it turned everything around.
Where's the ticket? Where's my ticket? It's gone!
It starts with
Each ticket cost $280 NT per person.
The colors golden dancing on my skin lifts me up so fast, and it brought you to me. Oh yeah, it starts with the melody.
And I just realized that this rail bike is run by electric, and the pedals are useless. The moment we drive into this tunnel, I feel like I'm heading to Fantasy World. This tunnel is so colorful, like a rainbow.
The colors golden
project various kind of lights and pictures on the wall. I feel like I'm in a galaxy, walking with a star. After that, we are heading to our next stop. Along the way, the scenery was stunning. Here is an iconic landmark in Miaoli, also known as the Long-Term Broken Bridge. I'm so glad I have the opportunity to capture the beauty of the bridge with my phone. Right now, we're late and we're going to catch the train. I don't want to miss the train and left behind. It's time to go home.
You're the source of my home. Gachibuyaga kunta. Kwambulera when the trains. I wanna show you some love. Trust me, I'll never let you down. I'm losing my mind. Kubanga ebe. Hurry. Obulume busasana mpulira njabika. Baby nawe.
Maybe I'm just too crazy for you.
What?
Maybe crazy is what you're trying to.